Hello, everyone, and welcome back to The Speak Bench. I'm Grace, and this is episode 12, and a very special one.
Episode 12. Jack here, and this is the final episode of Level 2. Listeners, if you have been with us from episode 7, you have completed 6 full episodes of elementary English. Past tense, storytelling, future tense, restaurant English, family vocabulary, and today we finish Level 2 with one of the most important topics of all.
Emotions, how we actually feel. Because here is something true. Language is not just about information. It is about connection. And the deepest connections happen when we can express how we truly feel.
And so many learners can say, I am happy or I am sad, but they struggle to go beyond those 2 basic words. Today, we give you a full emotional vocabulary toolkit.
By the end of this episode, you will be able to express joy, sadness, anxiety, gratitude, pride, overwhelm, peace, and so much more, all naturally, all in English.
Grace, before we start, how are you feeling right now? And you cannot say fine or good.
Honestly, I feel genuinely grateful. Grateful to be here, grateful for our listeners who show up every week and practice with us, and a tiny bit emotional knowing this is the last episode of Level 2, which is silly, but also very real.
That is not silly at all. That is exactly what we're teaching today, being specific and honest about how you feel. I feel proud, genuinely proud of what we've built here together.
Now that is an emotional vocabulary upgrade from fine, and that is exactly what today is about. Let's build your toolkit.
Now, first, let's acknowledge the most overused, most under-descriptive phrase in English. I'm fine.
Oh, I'm fine. The greatest lie in the English language.
I'm fine technically means I am okay, nothing is wrong. But in practice, people say I'm fine when they are stressed, when they are upset, when they're exhausted, when they are anything other than genuinely fine.
Today, we are replacing I'm fine with real, honest, descriptive emotional language. Let's start with the positive emotions, the feelings we want more of.
Happy. Everyone knows this one. But instead of just happy, try I'm absolutely delighted. I feel genuinely content. I'm over the moon about this. I feel at peace.
Delighted is a stronger, more specific version of happy. Content means deeply satisfied and at ease. Over the moon means extremely happy, almost beyond words. At peace means calm, settled, no anxiety.
I'm absolutely delighted with how the episode turned out.
I feel genuinely content with where I am in life right now.
I was over the moon when I heard the news.
I feel completely at peace out here. It's so quiet and beautiful.
More positive emotions. Grateful. I feel deeply grateful for everything I have. This is a powerful, specific emotion that happy doesn't capture.
Proud. I'm really proud of what I accomplished. Different from happy. Pride comes specifically from achievement or seeing someone you care about succeed.
Excited. I'm incredibly excited about the trip. Anticipatory happiness, looking forward to something.
Inspired. That talk left me feeling truly inspired, motivated by something external to do or be better.
Now, the more difficult emotions, the ones people often don't want to talk about but need the words for.
Anxious. I've been feeling quite anxious about the presentation, a sense of worry and nervousness about something that might happen.
Overwhelmed. I'm completely overwhelmed right now. There's too much happening at once, when everything feels like too much at the same time.
Frustrated. I feel genuinely frustrated with this situation, when things aren't working the way you want them to and you feel helpless.
Disappointed. I was really disappointed with how things turned out, when something didn't meet your expectations.
Drained. I feel completely drained. I have nothing left. Emotionally or physically exhausted.
Unsettled. Something about that conversation left me feeling a bit unsettled. When something feels slightly wrong, but you can't quite identify why.
And more nuanced ones. Nostalgic. Looking at old photos always makes me feel nostalgic, a warm but slightly sad feeling about the past.
conflicted. I feel conflicted about the decision. Part of me wants one thing, part of me wants another. When you have competing feelings.
Vulnerable. Sharing this makes me feel a bit vulnerable when you've opened up and feel exposed.
Now, grammar structures for emotions. How do we use these words in sentences naturally?
Structure 1. Feel plus adjective. This is the most direct way. I feel overwhelmed. She feels anxious. They felt disappointed.
I feel genuinely inspired by your story. I've been feeling a bit drained this week.
Structure 2. Look plus adjective. This is used when you're commenting on how someone else seems, based on their appearance or behavior.
You look a bit worried. Is everything okay?
She looks absolutely exhausted. Has she been sleeping?
Notice, look is for what you can see in someone else. Feel is for what you experience yourself. I feel tired, but you look tired to someone else.
Structure 3. Make plus object plus adjective. This shows what causes an emotion.
This music makes me feel incredibly calm.
His kindness made me feel so emotional in the best way.
Uncertainty makes me anxious. I don't do well with not knowing.
And intensifiers, words that make emotions stronger or softer. Absolutely delighted, genuinely grateful, incredibly proud, slightly anxious, a bit overwhelmed, rather conflicted.
Absolutely and incredibly make emotions very strong. Slightly and a bit make them softer and more understated.
And one more important structure, asking about feelings, because emotional vocabulary isn't just about expressing yourself, it's also about connecting with others.
The classic, how are you? But more specific alternatives, are you okay? You seem a bit quiet today. Is everything all right? Is something on your mind? How are you really feeling?
That last one, how are you really feeling, is a beautiful way to signal that you want the honest answer, not just I'm fine.
And if you want to offer support, I can see you're going through a lot right now. I'm here if you need to talk. You don't have to go through this alone.
Those phrases build real connection, and that is what language is for. If this episode is resonating, please like the video and subscribe to the Speak Bench.
And comment how you feel right now in English. Use one of our new words, not fine, something real.
Now, the main conversation. Grace, I want to ask you something real. How do you actually feel about life right now? Honestly.
This feels like a real question, not a language exercise.
It is a real question, but it's also a language demonstration. Go with it.
Okay. Honestly, I feel conflicted right now, actually. There are things in my life that are going really well, and I feel genuinely grateful for them. But there are other areas where I feel quite unsettled, like I'm in a transition period, and I'm not sure what comes next.
That makes complete sense. Transitions are uncomfortable even when they lead somewhere good.
Exactly. And I think I also feel slightly overwhelmed sometimes, not in a bad way, more like there are so many things I want to do and not enough hours. It's a kind of energized overwhelm, if that makes sense.
It makes complete sense. You can feel overwhelmed and excited at the same time. They're not opposites.
What about you, Grace? How are you really feeling?
I feel mostly at peace, actually, which is a new feeling for me. I spent a lot of years feeling quite anxious, always waiting for something to go wrong. And somewhere in the last year or two, I've started feeling more settled, more trusting of life.
That's such a beautiful thing to say.
But I also feel nostalgic quite often lately. I look back at certain chapters of my life and feel this bittersweet warmth. Not sad, exactly, just aware of how quickly things change.
I know exactly what you mean. It's almost like gratitude and grief mixed together.
That is such a perfect description. Gratitude and grief mixed together. You should teach English, Jack.
I feel genuinely proud of myself for that one.
And listeners, what we just did was express real, complex, layered emotions in natural English. Not just, I am happy or I am sad. Conflicted, unsettled, overwhelmed but energized, at peace, nostalgic, bittersweet. These are the words that create real human connection.
Common mistakes with emotion vocabulary.
Mistake 1, using feel with look. I look tired and I feel tired are different. Don't say, I look tired when you mean I feel tired. Look is for other people observing you. Feel is for your own experience.
I am feeling very pride today.
Almost. Pride is a noun. We say, I feel proud, the adjective, or I feel a sense of pride, not I am feeling pride.
I feel proud today. I feel a sense of pride.
Perfect. One more.
This movie makes me feel very emotion.
Emotion is a noun, not an adjective. Say, this movie makes me feel very emotional, or this movie brings up so many emotions. The adjective is emotional.
This movie makes me feel very emotional. Or, this movie brings up so many emotions.
Excellent. Rapid fire. I'll describe a feeling situation. You give me the right emotion word.
Ready.
You have too many things to do and not enough time.
I feel completely overwhelmed. There's just too much happening at once.
You got a promotion you worked really hard for.
I feel incredibly proud. All that hard work finally paid off.
You're looking at old photos from 10 years ago.
Looking at these makes me feel so nostalgic. Everything was so different back then.
You don't know whether to take a new job or stay where you are.
I feel completely conflicted. Part of me wants to go, part of me wants to stay.
Your friend looks upset and you want to check in.
Hey, you seem a bit off today. Is everything okay? I'm here if you need to talk.
You feel calm and satisfied with your life right now.
I feel genuinely content. Things aren't perfect, but I feel at peace with where I am.
6 for 6. Every emotion word perfect, every sentence natural, every response completely human.
Pause the video and practice. Think about your own life right now. Pick 3 emotions you're experiencing, not happy, sad, or fine, and say them out loud in full sentences. I feel, because, it makes me feel, I've been feeling.
Be honest with yourself. These words exist to help you express your real inner life in English. That is an incredible skill to have.
Grace, we did it. Episode 12. Level 2 is complete.
Level 2 complete. Listeners, do you realize what you've accomplished? In Level 2 alone, you learned past tense, weekend storytelling, future tense, restaurant English, family vocabulary, and emotional expression. That is extraordinary.
And Level 3 begins next week, Intermediate English. Episode 13 is Job Interview English, which is actually already done as a special episode. And then we continue with Small Talk, Workplace English, Travel English, Opinions, and Problem Solving.
Level 3 is where things get really exciting because the conversations get deeper, more complex, more real.
Your challenge for Level 2 completion: comment how you feel right now in English. Use everything you've learned today. Not fine, something real, something true. We want to read every single one.
Thank you. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for being here, for practicing every week, for sharing your stories, for trusting us with your English learning journey.
I'm Jack from the Speak Bench, where real conversations meet real English.
And I'm Grace. Level 3 begins next week. We'll see you there. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and remember, your feelings are valid, and now you have the English to express them. See you in Level 3.